welcome back. Not really a quick bite, but maybe a quick sip.
Quick sip.
There we go.
I love it.
We'll rebrand this for today. Katie George, Hy-Vee dietitian, joining us to talk about this concoction.
A concoction, right? So I love this recipe. I love this recipe for a variety of different reasons, but gosh, let's reflect back on the past few weeks. A little hot, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So I work with many of the athletes at UNK. My children are in sports. My dad works outside in the heat, and the topic of the last few weeks is hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. How are we staying hydrated? And water does a tremendous job, but sometimes we need just a little bit more. And you were sharing a little story with me about just some dehydration in general. And gosh, sometimes you just need a little bit of more than just water.
Exactly.
So we are going to be utilizing another Hy-Vee dietitian pick of the month for September, and that product is Liquid IV. And this is something that you have not heard of.
No.
Okay, so it is pretty trendy right now. Liquid IV is truly a sports drink alternative. There is no pre-made Liquid IV, much like Gatorade or Powerade or something like that. It all does come in little packets where you mix it with some water. And really, the highlight of Liquid IV is that it is like a hydration multiplier. Okay. So it has 3 times the electrolytes as some of the other leading sports drinks. It has many B vitamins, which is essential for athletes, and then it tastes good.
Okay.
Geez, we're gonna take it. So, you know, what you can do with Liquid IV, you can mix it with water and go on your way. Boring.
Yeah,
right?
I didn't expect you to do that.
Or you can jazz it up a little bit, and that is what we are going to do today. So Liquid IV does come in kid version. It comes in sugar-free as well as traditional, and we're gonna make a spritzer out of this. So we're gonna utilize this as a post exercise. We're out in the heat, and gosh, we're going to just reward ourselves with this little spritzer. The other thing about Liquid IV is that it does not have any dyes or colors in it. Okay. So if you were going to traditionally have a grape sports drink, you're going to expect it to be purple, but there are no colors like that. Okay. So we are just using some water. I am going to top it off with some bubbles, and this is going to be a mixed berry sparkling water. We're just going to add that to just really add the bubbles to it. Gonna add a splash of lime juice. This already feels like super summery.
Yeah.
You can just top it off with some frozen grapes. And I don't want it to explode here. But obviously great to cold. This is going to have all of those electrolytes in it. It is water, it is hydration, add some extra flavor, and it's then fun to drink.
Yeah.
So this is a really good refresher, a really good hydrator, and Liquid IV comes in multiple flavors, and again, kid version, sugar-free, and traditional flavors.
All right.
Find it in our health market.
Yeah, good alternative. Thank you so much.
Yes.
We'll be right back.